Would you like to show your data story with this stack bar chart or this bar chart which is animated, interactive and has the capability of storytelling? Second one, right? So let's start the video and learn how we can create this animated bar chart in Power BI. We have data set that has yearly revenue for products. To display this information in animated bar chart, we have to follow 3 steps. Step 1. Make sure that you are signing into your Power BI desktop. Step 2. Once you are signing, you have the capability to get more visuals by clicking on this ellipsis and select Get More Visual. Now search Animate. And here we have animated bar chart. Click and add. We have imported the visual successfully. Step 3. Again click on this ellipsis. Get more visuals. Again search Animate. And this time select Play Axis Dynamic Slicer. Add. Now select the animated bar chart to create a visual tile. Once we have this tile, we have options of name, value and period. In the name, I will drop my product name. In the value, I want to show revenue, and in the period, I want to show year. To create animation effect, we will use this Play Axis Dynamic Slicer. Click, add the slicer on your canvas and choose year in the fields. We have these play buttons. Click on play and here we go. We have interactive, animated and storytelling bar chart in front of us. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. Let us know your views in the comments and suggestion for the future videos. See you in the next video.